Alright gang, so this video is going to be for all the builders in the budget gasser build off. First of all, I'd like to thank all you guys for stepping up to the plate and joining in the gasser build off. You guys are all awesome and you've all got my respect, and I think you deserve the respect of everybody out there because this is not an easy challenge. And there's a lot of guys out there that, oh, Jesse, your challenge is too hard. I can't build a cool car for $5. Well, you guys are going to prove them all wrong, and you're going to show the world that you can build a cool car for just $5. And I think by the end of this, there's going to be a lot of people that are going to think twice. But all you guys, and you're going to get some really mad respect, and hopefully a lot of people check this out and check you guys out. After the build off, which is going to be on Saturday, July 25th, 2020, like a day or two after the build off, I'm going to put on another video, and on that video, all the viewers and you builders yourselves can check that out and comment below and let me know and let everybody else know kind of like what your favorite cars or favorite car builder was of the budget gasser build off. But I'm also going to be announcing my personal pick of you guys's builds, which is going to be my favorite build, and that person will be getting a care package sent to them courtesy of Hansen Speed Shop. And that care package is going to consist of, with this whole COVID thing going on, I know it's hard to get out. There aren't really a lot of flea markets or swap meets or even just going to the store is a hassle. So getting new project cars or donor cars and parts and stuff it's kind of hard nowadays. So I'm going to hook you up with a really cool care package of project cars courtesy of Hansen Speed Shop. So look forward to that after the build off on Saturday, July 25th. And now we're going to get into all the guys that are going to be in this build off. Okay, so here are all the builders for the budget gasser build off. Obviously I'm going to be building a car, so Hansen Speed Shop, Fastback Customs, my Diecast Addiction, Flying Valiant, D's Custom Diecast Restoration, Diecast Outkast, Drew's Custom Diecast, 57 Fordman, and Deep Junk Garage. All these guys will be listed in the description down below. Go check them all out. They're all super cool and they all do really neat stuff. Go check their channels out and subscribe to them if you haven't already. And that's going to be all the guys that are involved in the budget gasser build off. This is going to be really cool. I can't wait to see what all you guys come up with for a period 50s, 60s, or 70s style gasser on a budget. Should be pretty cool. Again, Saturday, July 25th is when this is all going to be going down. And then look forward to that results video within a day or two after the build off. For one of you builders is going to get a super cool project car care package sent to them courtesy of Hansen Speed Shop. So until the next time, get out, work on your own projects, get your hands dirty, stay cool, and we'll catch you cats on the next one. Thanks for watching.